Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unit, and today we're just going to see how to open the Play Store or how to find the Play Store on your Xiaomi Google TV because it's actually hidden. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to open the Play Store on your Xiaomi Google TV. So if you just go to the Act section, you can't find the Play Store option here. So to find the Play Store, guys, here trick, just go inside the setting option first. After going inside the setting option, you just need to go to the option called apps. So there is a list of apps here, so you just need to move to the apps first. Then in the apps, we just need to have this option called see all. Just select the see all option. Okay, then click on the see all option. Then you just need to swipe down and you can find the lot of the apps, but you can't find the system apps, so click on the show system apps. After clicking on the show system apps, you just just move down, and you just need to find a Play Store app. So there will be a lot of apps. You just need to swipe down continuously and you can find the Play Store here. Now just go to the open, just click on the side and it will be shows on the open. Click on the open. Now your Play Store has been opened on your Xiaomi Google TV. So this is the only way that you can just easily go inside the Play Store on your Xiaomi Google TV, and you can just search any apps and you can just install the app directly. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.